Nos han dicho que están obviamente muy nerviosos, muy preocupados y esa es la situación.
We know that people are really keen to get vaccinated in New South Wales. The challenge we have, and it's not something the New South Wales government can control.
It's disappointing to have it so close to home, but everybody should do the right thing insofar that they should wear their masks, wash the hand sanitizer, and generally be aware of it at all times.
We really face the most serious crisis in the COVID pandemic since the early days in February, March last year. It's made the worse because this was a largely avoidable and foreseeable crisis, but thanks to the very poor procurement and rollout of the vaccines, we don't have that strength to respond to the situation that's emerging